The doggy's sleeping. Muska! Let's see you dance. He'd rather play with the... Be nice to the doggy.
That's a surprise tool that can help us later.
Hi, Peanut. Be nice to the doggy, okay? Be nice to her. Good boy. Nice. 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 Good boy. Nice. Nice. Where did it go? It's on this side. Look, Daisy's gonna dance. Here you go.
That's right. Will you help Daisy?
You see, you got upset for nothing. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You have to stand up. Okay. Will
okay.
Please stand up.
Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey.
Now,
look, Daisy's dancing.
Jump forward toward us. Now, jump backward away from us. Clap, clap, clap. March, march, march. And slide to one side. And slide.
You found Daddy's alligator. Mama. Say, Nana got a haircut yesterday. Look. Say, Nana, I got my haircut. Who's on the phone? Who's calling? Hello? Hello? Say hello. Hello? Hello? Huh? You calling Nana? Nana and Grandpa?
Do you want to come to my party?
Boy, that's not nice how you just throw it. You scared the alligator.
Jump forward.
You want some juice? Come on, let's go see what Daddy's doing. Bye, Christian. Bye. I'm going to go outside and see what Daddy's doing. Bye. Bye. Oh, look who's outside. The ducks. The ducks.
Oh, no. What are we going to do? Oh, I know.
No.
Jump backwards.
No.
We can tap to warn the animals. If
no.
And move out of the way. How many seconds do you
We don't do that. Now we got it on camera.
So, let's clap 3 times. Clap and count with us. 1, 2, 3.
Look, Daddy's gonna get upset.
Oh, no, the thing is still here.
Trying to get that on film, huh?
No. Christian, that's a no. No.
It's a bunch of...
Daddy's gonna put you in the naughty corner.